So this is just a video on what you'd see, real footage of the USAT Liberty. Basically, I'd say overall it was a while back. Went there a while back, and it was really nice though. I think the visibility was one of the best I'd seen before. I was about to quit diving. I went on 2 dives. I won't say where the place is just not to defame it. Maybe next time, but this was one of my better diving experiences. The one that made me go, hey, actually, I want to do this more. Maybe it's not all just cold and murky and I can't see anything. Yeah, but let's just start going right into the shipwreck. So this is at, obviously, USAT Liberty Wreck. This photo spot, actually, there is, there's a queue for this photo spot, and you can see there's a lot of divers around, just photobombing all our shots. It is pretty big of a wreck. I didn't expect it to be, that grand, because the other places I went diving for the first time, it was just man-made wrecks, and you'd have to go really all the way up close, but this one you could see it from like really far away. Have footage of the top view, but it's not that great. You can see it if you want to go snorkel though. That's how you know that the view is, the visibility is like, pretty good. Oh, and yes, always wanted to see a whale shark. Right now I haven't got to yet, but we managed to see just one sea turtle. I think there were two actually that we saw around there. We did see a baby shark like just in the distance, but yeah, just appreciate the turtle just for a second, munching on some, I don't even know what that is, but yeah, it was really great. When the guide saw it, he just started banging on his stick, Did he? Maybe not. He definitely got our attention though. He was the one who saw it. Yeah. First time seeing a sea turtle. Not those little beach turtles, A full-fledged sea turtle, not those domesticated ones. And yeah, obviously, have to take more footage of it because my sister and I were just so excited to see the turtle. Genuinely so excited to see the turtle. Yeah, you can see her just mesmerized. Yeah. Oh, it's so beautiful. A little chomp. Another little chomp. Don't even know what he's eating. Haven't seen like this footage in a while. It's not fresh in my memory, but I'm really glad I don't know what that hand signal means. I forgot all my diving stuff. Yeah, and the shipwreck, it's all filled with coral already, anemone. Don't know why the tips are blue, but yeah, there's your Nemo. There's always a Nemo everywhere. Not exactly, there's that brown layer outside. Just more of the exterior. I'd say when we went there were about like 50 other divers. Not too sure though, but I think that's still a lot for a place. This part is a bit deeper. Yeah, it's just a bit deeper. But it is, raw footage. It's what you'd expect, and you can see it's not that low. But then again, there are places which are, I think this is 40 meters deep. Maybe not even 40 meters, 20 meters. Yeah, it's not that bad. You can see while snorkeling. That's the thing. Just a bit with the sunshine reflecting, but it is still, very good visibility. you have your time. I think we went in the morning around here, and yes, around the shipwreck there are just these, bits of corals here and there. You get to feel the heat, you know, it's really nice. And overall, it's a go. Honestly, it's a go. You know, I I have other videos showing like the other core views. I didn't like this area way that much because it was really crowded. But besides that, it was a great experience. Yeah. Get to go in the ship, explore. It's a go.